Hello and welcome back to Scaled Down Customs. So continuing the build on the Revell Porsche 934, the Jagermeister livery. Hopefully in this video we'll get this thing finished up. So I'm getting ready to do the black trim on the car, but before I do that I want to get everything polished down because I don't want to be accidentally polishing off my black trim paint. So we're going to start by doing that. So I've got my bucket of water and I'll be using mostly a 3000 grit wet dry sandpaper and maybe a 2500 if I need it. Alright, so I got her cut down the parts that I wanted to, just mostly smoothing off the top and then a couple other little dust spots around. So I got the sanding done, so now it's time to polish that out. And to do that I'm going to be using the Scale Finishes, the rubbing compound, which is a little bit heavier, and then the blue polish, which is more of a finish polish, and then just a small microfiber rag. Alright, so we've got her all polished up, and now we're going to start masking for the black trim. Alright, that was a lot of intricate masking. I'm thinking I should have just maybe hand painted it, but anyway, we got it all masked up and ready to go paint the black trim on the bumpers and also on all the windows. So we'll go do that, and I'm just going to again be using the Tamiya Semi-Gloss Black for that. All right, so that's going to finish up this build. Mostly came together pretty good. Got a few final installment issues, to include putting the wipers in backwards. I was thinking they looked a little weird when I put them on, but oh well. I mean, who's really going to notice that, right? The side windows didn't, well, none of the windows totally fit very well. So that's, again, always make sure you test fit your stuff before final assembly, which I continue to forget to do. I'm going to get her wiped down and cleaned up and ready for the final photo op. So that'll do it for this build. Make sure you stay tuned for my next build series. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.